Okay, so in this video, I'm going to talk about incomplete and codominance. Incomplete dominance is where the two alleles, they blend together. So here we see the blending of colors or the blending of traits. And then on codominance, this is where the alleles work together. So it's much like teamwork. So in the blending, for example, if I had red flowers and I had white flowers, their intermediate would be red and white. In this case, it'd be pink. So this would be red, this would be white, and then this would be pink. So that's what we mean by blending. In codominance, this is what's going to provide like spots or stripes for animals or different things. So for example, if I had a black chicken and I had a white chicken, the middle ground for this would be black and white checkered. So this would be a combination of both, where both of them are showing themselves equally. So in our problem here, this is the first incomplete dominant, so this is the blending. It says, SpongeBob loves growing flowers for his pal Sandy. Her favorite flowers, puffkins, are found in red, blue, and purple. Use the information provided and your knowledge of incomplete dominance to complete the section below. So we have, for the genotypes, capital R is going to represent red, and capital B will represent blue. So reds are going to be two capital R's, blue will be double B's, and if they're showing the intermediate, it's going to be RB because it's a combination of those two. So now it asks, what if SpongeBob crossed a puffkin with red flowers and a puffkin with blue flowers? So red is going to go here, and blue will go here. Okay, we combine the letters. Now how do I know which letter goes first? It's whichever one that was said to us first. So in this case, red, so that one's going to go first. So RB, 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 RB. So that would mean that all four of these are going to be in the intermediate phase, which means they'll all be purple. So that would be 100% or 4 out of 4. So that's how we do incomplete dominance. You're just looking at the alleles and looking at the how they combine together. Now the next thing we're going to look at is you're going to look at this sample problem, which is codominance. So again, codominance is the concept of teamwork. You're going to see all three alleles present, and you'll see what happens to these. So Andalusian chickens have one allele for white feathers and one for black feathers. Andalusian chickens appear to have black and white checkered feathers. So if capital B represents the black gene and lowercase d or capital W represents the white gene. So if they're black, it's two double B's, and if it's white, it's two W's. And if they're Andalusian, remember it's a combination of those two alleles. So it asks us if we cross two Andalusian chickens, so that would be BW and BW because it's 1 and then 2. Then I would combine my letters and then I answer my questions down here. If it's black, it needs two double B's, so I have 1, so that's 25%. Andalusian, 1, 2, so that'd be 50%, and white, I'd have to have two W's, and I have 1. And then again, that would add up to 100%.